welcome to tea. As you can see, this is my first time doing box braids, and of course you can tell that by the title of this video. I'm so proud of myself, guys. I mean, I've watched several YouTubers who have done the same thing, and I said, well, listen, not to discredit them, but if they can do it, why can't I? So I got the hair, and I'll talk about all of that in a minute. And I decided to just go ahead and do it. So yesterday I just went ahead and just said, you know what? Because I bought that hair months, like not months ago, but weeks ago. And I've just been kind of procrastinating because that's my nature, which is what I'm trying to change this year. It's on my vision board. So I'm actually decided that, you know what? Let me go ahead and just do it. Just try it. You know, if it doesn't work, oh well, it doesn't work. I'll try it again, or maybe just try something else or whatever. So I went ahead and I just started braiding my hair, and I'll show you guys that in a video that you'll see in a minute. But I just put little box braids, and I wanted to do it. Actually, this size is really good. I wanted to do the jumbo one. I have about, I want to say 38 to 40 plaits that I had done, and then I just crocheted the hair on my hair. So again, I'll show you all that. You guys will see that in the video that's coming up after this. So yeah, I did it. It took me about 4 hours. I know I've seen some other YouTubers where it took them like an hour and a half, 2 hours to do, but it took me a little longer because I had to take breaks and change diapers and take a break and give a bath and to my toddlers and take a break and feed them their dinner, and me take a break and me eat dinner. So it was a lot of breaks in between. I think if I hadn't had those breaks, it might have taken me about maybe 2 hours to do, maybe 2.5. But I'm happy with the results. I'm really happy with the results. I may try doing it a little smaller, like this section here. I think I could have done 2 braids in here. But like I said, I am very, very happy with how it turned out. Seeing that this is my first time, let me show you guys the back if I can. This is the back. Yeah, so like I said, for first time, I'm proud of myself for doing this, and now I'm excited and I want to try other things as well. So this year, as I had mentioned in a previous video, is my year for healthy hair. It's a healthy hair journey this year for me. So I'll be doing a lot of protective styles this year. This being my first for the year. I also have a wig, so I'll be wearing that from time to time as well. But yeah, I will be doing a lot of braids, box braids. And what I like about this is that it's not tight. It's not causing friction to my hair. I thought about doing a rubber band, but when I saw this method, which is basically just you just braid your hair and crochet, you just plait your hair and then you crochet the extensions in and kind of loop it and then braid it onto your plait. So like I said, I'll show you guys, you'll see that in a video coming up right now in a few minutes. And it was really great. I want to definitely try the rubber band. I might try that the next time I do braids. But also the next time I do braids, I might get the already made braids. Have you guys seen that? The already made braids. It has the already made braids and already made twist braids. So I might just do that because it would lengthen my time doing this. So I think I would definitely try that next time, because the braids are not perfect, but I did this just specifically to wear it up. So I may not wear this down because like I said, the braids are not perfect. I'm not a great braider. So, and this here, guys, this is the Marley hair, and I'm not a fan. While I was braiding my hair, it kept getting snags and tangled, and it was just this one particular braid on this side. I can't remember which one it was. That braid was fighting me. We were on a battle, okay? But we got through it, and I won because it's in my hair. But yeah, the Marley hair, I'm not a huge fan. But I did notice coming down to the end when I was braiding my hair and it started getting tangled, I did put a little bit of gel on it, and that loosened up, and that actually helped it from not tangling as I was braiding it. So, like I said, this is the first time I'm doing this, so it's a learning progress. I'll do a lot of things differently next time that I didn't know this time, because I already did it. So I know what to do. I know what to look for. So I could use this hair again, not this hair, but I could purchase this kind of hair again. I just know how to handle it next time that I didn't know this time around. So that was that. And like I said, I want to probably try the already made braids or twist next time I do it. And I think that's it, really. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys now the process. Is not a lot. I didn't record too much because I didn't feel like I needed to. I didn't record myself plaiting my hair because it's pretty simple, guys. If you know how to at least plait, you can section your hair out in little squares. It's not that hard. So I didn't even record that part because I felt like it wasn't necessary. But if you are interested in seeing more videos like this and you would like to see how I do my braiding method, just let me know and I'll do it the next video. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that little subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you will get all new videos that I post. You will be alerted, I should say, for all new videos that I post coming up in the next few weeks. And also, don't forget to thumbs up. It definitely helps, guys, with the algorithms for my channel. So please subscribe, please like and comment. And like I said, let me know if you guys want to see my braiding method next time I do box braids. Or I will be doing a lot of protected styles on this channel this year. That's part of my healthy journey, my hair healthy journey for the 2020. So I have a lot of this stuff coming up. So again, if any suggestions, anything that you would like to see me do, definitely let me know and I will go ahead and post those videos. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget, hit subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell for upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe, guys, with everything that's going on right now. Stay safe. If you don't have to go outside, don't. Other than that, enjoy the video. Bye. All right, guys. So here you have, I am doing my braids, box braids. And this is, I would say, no tension box braids. I should say no tension crochet box braids. And when I say no tension, meaning that I don't have any, I'm not pulling and tugging at my hair. I have nothing pulling and tugging at my hair like rubber bands. I definitely want to try the rubber band method, but I decided this time, which I was going to do that this time, but I said, let me just try doing the crochet without putting the rubber bands in. So I'll show you exactly how I did that. This one looks kind of clumsy, kind of clocky, but that's okay. There's always going to be one or two that's not perfect, and that one isn't. So I actually just finished the back. I added a little bit of some of the blonde just for some highlights. And I'm not 100% crazy about how it came out, but that's okay because the reason that I'm doing this is so that I can wear it up in a bun. So if I wear it up in a bun, you're not going to see any of those imperfections, I should say. So that's why I'm doing this, and I wanted to do them really big, but it ended up being a little bit smaller than what I really wanted. So as you see here, I'm just doing it in a box, little box braids. The front is obviously not finished yet. I just did the back, and I probably did I did like 4 sections, and each section have about 8. So about 32 braids altogether. So I'm gonna go ahead and get something to eat because I'm starving. This took a little bit longer than I had planned. So I'm gonna go get something to eat, and then I'm gonna finish up the front, and I'll show you guys. I'll do one side of the front, and then I'm gonna record the other side just to show you guys exactly how I connected the synthetic hair to my hair when I'm braiding it. So be back in a second. Bye. All right, guys, I'm almost finished. So I'm going to do these 2. It wasn't that bad actually for the first time. I'm doing this the first time, so this is definitely beginner friendly. So if I can do it, you can do it. So I just wanted to show you guys. I'm trying to see if this one is the best one to show you guys. I have about 5 more braids to do, and I'm so thankful because it's almost 9 o'clock at night and I am tired. Just ate, and I just want to be finished with this. So I'm gonna go ahead and maybe just do these to show you guys these two since it's the closest, and just kind of show you guys. Oh my goodness, these grays are just popping. All right, so I'll go ahead and show you guys these two here up close and personal. So like I said, I'm just doing the regular box braids, nothing special. But what I will do next time is do them a little bit bigger. That was my intention, and for some reason it ended up being really small. And don't worry guys, I'm gonna take care of all these edges once I'm done. I'm just doing a kind of rushing, but not to do any sloppy work. But this style is basically, what I'm doing right now is just basically to be worn up in a bun. So there was no real seamless braiding that I'm doing here. It's more like just basically, I'm not doing any sloppy work either, because of course I still want it to look good. But you know, I think next time I'll do it a little bit bigger, and I'll do it a little bit neater. So that so it can be a little bit more versatile. I can wear it up, I can wear it down, or whatever. But for right now, I'm just doing this for the first time, and I just want to go ahead and kind of see how this goes. And I already know that there's certain different patterns, braiding pattern that I will do next time that I didn't do this time as well. So it's just a learning process. You know, you're doing something for the first time, it's usually never going to come out right the first time. So, you know, let me go ahead and show you guys. All right.